everyone, welcome to another Getaway Adventure video. My name's Allison.
And I'm Austin.
We're here at the Sedona Mountain Bike Festival. Welcome to the 10th annual Sedona Mountain Bike Festival. After last year's snow fiasco, we were beyond excited to hit the trails and soak up the sun at this year's event. There were plenty of vendors from rocket ramps to Scott to Ari, and so many others. The festival was buzzing with energy. It was a mountain biker's paradise. But what makes Sedona Mountain Bike Festival so great are the incredible group rides. It's a chance to work on your skills from mountain bike coaches, meet fellow riders while also exploring some of the most amazing trails in Sedona. Austin took on the trails with Jeff Lanowski's Trail Boss ride, while I rode on the Shimano Women's Only ride.
Left turn. High line. Root.
There's a big group.
Yep, yeah, we're
Nice
job.
Thank you.
Your eyes up. Yep, eyes up, eyes up. Eyes up. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. Afterwards, we both met up at the festival grounds, tried out some of the food trucks, and biked around at the bike park. Day 2 of the festival, and we wanted to ride with the Women's Mountain Bike Network with Jess the Maker. There, we met up with some awesome folks like Colorado Kid, Segment PR, The Gear Girl, and so many other amazing riders.
We're gonna do a pretty chill ride today. We're gonna go just like Soldier's Paws Top, down to the Sacred Pools, the Devil's Butthole, whatever that thing is called, and then Adobe Jack. So it's gonna be pretty chill. Don't feel like we're not going for KOMs or anything like that today.
Right. How are you doing this morning?
Good, how are you?
Good.
demo?
No,
Okay.
it's my bike, yeah.
Intent?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you, I like it. I've had it like 4 years. It's been a good bike. High line.
One of our goals for day 2 was to demo bikes from Pivot. And if you've never gotten a chance to demo a bike before at the Sedona Mountain Bike Festival, we recommend arriving early because they are gone quick. Luckily, the both of us were able to demo a Pivot Shadowcat and a Pivot Firebird.
Feels pretty good. Woo!
Do have more control.
Oh. Woo. That's fun.
After riding the demo bikes, we sat back, relaxed, and enjoyed the rest of the festival. This year, we had the pleasure of meeting new people, made new friends, and relished every moment. Just being able to ride in the beautiful red trails of Sedona was an absolute delight. We can't wait to come back again next year.